Welcome to a journey back in time, where the clang of steel and the roar of engines heralded a new age of prosperity and progress. Today, we are not just looking at a machine, we are exploring a pivotal chapter in American history, an era defined by ambition and the relentless pursuit of a better future. Join us as we uncover the story of a vehicle that didn't just move goods, but moved a nation forward, the 1920 Studebaker Light Six Truck. The 1920s dawned on an America bursting with energy. Emerging from the shadow of the Great War, the nation was a whirlwind of industrial might and social change. Cities expanded, factories churned, and a new sense of optimism filled the air. In this vibrant landscape, the need for reliable transportation was more critical than ever before. Roads, once mere dirt paths, were slowly transforming into the arteries of commerce. It was in this transformative climate that Studebaker, already a respected name with roots stretching back to horse-drawn wagons, stepped up to meet the demand of a country on the move. They understood that progress required power, and they delivered it on four wheels. Behold the 1920 Studebaker Light Six, a masterpiece of early 20th century engineering and design. More than just a utility vehicle, it was a statement of strength and purpose. Its design speaks a language of durability, with strong, uncompromising lines and a robust construction built to withstand the rigors of a developing nation. From its prominent, proud grille to the sturdy spoked wheels designed for unpaved terrain, every element was crafted for utility. The commanding headlights, perched like sentinels, promised to cut through the darkness on long-haul deliveries, while its open cab design reflected the practical, no-nonsense attitude of the era. This wasn't a vehicle for leisure, it was a partner in labor, a tool for building dreams. Beneath its rugged exterior, the Light Six housed remarkable innovation for its time. It was powered by a formidable six-cylinder engine, a significant step up from the more common four-cylinder models of the day. This engine provided the torque and reliability needed to haul heavy loads over long distances. One of its most advanced features was an aluminum cylinder head, a forward-thinking choice that improved cooling and performance, a testament to Studebaker's commitment to engineering excellence. Imagine this workhorse navigating the nascent American road system, its engine humming a steady rhythm as it delivered everything from farm produce to construction materials, fueling the very growth of the communities it served. The impact of the Studebaker Light Six on American life was profound and far-reaching. It became an indispensable asset for a diverse range of users, fundamentally changing the way America worked. For the farmer, it meant getting crops to market faster and more efficiently than ever before. For the small business owner in a burgeoning city, it was the lifeblood of their operation, enabling timely deliveries and expanding their customer base. It connected rural communities with urban centers, breaking down the isolation of the past and fostering economic interdependence. In an era where reliability was paramount, the Light Six stood out, offering a level of dependability that solidified Studebaker's reputation and helped drive the nation's post-war economic boom. The story of the Light Six is an integral part of the broader legacy of Studebaker, a company that navigated the currents of the 20th century with innovation and resilience before its eventual, poignant exit from the automotive stage. Vehicles like the Light Six were the pioneers, the unsung heroes that laid the very foundation for the modern trucks and utility vehicles we depend on today. They established the principles of durability, power, and versatility that continue to define the segment. As we look at this icon, parked against a backdrop of American history, we see more than just a truck. We see a symbol of ingenuity, a catalyst for progress, and a timeless reminder of when the roar of an engine was the sound of a nation building its future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the past, a past that continues to shape our present in countless ways.